All right, so today what we're gonna do is a really quick, simple, and affordable mod. I gotta get rid of some of the chrome on this vehicle, it's killing me. So we're gonna do some simple overlay kits that go right over the emblems, and then some that go over the doorknobs, and even the tailgate one. So we're gonna slap these on, 3M tape them, and this might be the simplest mod on this vehicle ever. Let's go. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is clean them off. We have already done that. I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe off any last minute stuff on there. I would use alcohol or just water. These come basically with just 3M tape stuck on the inside, so we'll be slapping that on. What you're gonna do is peel off the 3M tape on the inside of these. I already did that. And then all you're doing is kind of feeding it over the top. Make sure you're centering them as best you can. Press them on. And depending on the temperature, I would definitely consider heating them up before you press them on. It'll make them adhere a little bit better. Temperature is pretty good in here, so I think we'll be all right. All right, so same thing here. I've peeled it off. All right, so same thing here. I've peeled it off. Give it one last wipe. Okay, here we go. Slide that right on over. Good. And I'm pressing while I'm wiping, but it's pretty straightforward, easy breezy. Since we're here, we're gonna take this moment and go ahead and knock out this limited emblem at the top here. Easy breezy. Fits real nice. On this tailgate latch here, you're gonna wanna make sure you have the cutouts, especially if you have cameras. Not all of these manufacturers are the same, and so sometimes you might think you're getting a good kit and then it doesn't have these cutouts. But basically what we're gonna do is the exact same thing. Feed that over the top there. Just take a look at your cameras, make sure everything aligns down there, and just press as you go. This one looks really nice. So we're gonna take this opportunity to go ahead and do the 4x4 emblem on the back. We already kind of cleaned it up, but here we go. Press that on. Man, that looks good. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and knock out the Tundra word on the door. Go ahead and press as you kind of wipe that down. That already looks way better. All right, so that about wraps it up. We still have to do this bezel piece here. Probably gonna have to order a black unpainted grill bezel and then take that to get color matched because I don't want it black, I want it army green. But, I mean, obviously, it just looks way better already, and really excited how that came out. Super cheap, super affordable, and so fast to do. Done. See you next time.